Hi, to activate notifications for WhatsApp on your Honor Magic 7 Lite, as a first step, open your settings and from here find the step Notifications and Status bar. After that, you need to scroll down and find your WhatsApp app. So let's just scroll a bit and here it is. Now make sure that notifications are allowed here so the switcher is blue like in my case. Also go in message notifications and make sure they are allowed and gentle notifications are disabled and that you set lock screen and banners. And also go in silent notifications and here disable gentle notifications because when enabled notifications are only shown in notification center and they don't play a sound, vibrate, show a banner and so on. And also here choose banner as well as lock screen. You can also enable app icon badges to see the number of new notifications, new messages. And in more settings, you can select tone and customize your notifications. Now, let's go back here and scroll up. And from here, we need to enable wake screen for notifications just by tapping on the switcher. And now, when a WhatsApp notification arrives, the screen will light up. This replaces the usual LED indicator and lets you always be in the know even when the phone is on silent mode. And now let's test it. I'm gonna lock my phone, write a message in WhatsApp to myself, and check it. So yeah, immediately my screen lights up, so it wakes up to inform that new notification has arrived. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.